Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all asked me to show you more apartments, so here we are today. I'm going to be taking you through 3 more apartments. I'm going to do it really quickly. I wrote some notes down here so I can give you a little bit of information about the apartments. So the first apartment I'm going to show you is 146 square meters, which is 1,570 square feet. Again, this apartment is centrally located within 5 minutes walk to food and supermarkets and things like that, close to transportation. This apartment is 3,000 renminbi, which is $412. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first one here, as soon as you walk in the entranceway, you can see here's the bathroom, and there's a washing machine there as well. And then on here to the next room we have is the kitchen. Lots of cabinet space, refrigerator, it's all furnished, you know. Then right here we have a small dining area that is connected to the living area. So you can see the living room here, smart TV, big living space, big window, floor to ceiling window. And then just right up here up the steps, we have another small sitting room or living room. I think somebody's using this as a business actually, but anyway, here you go. Here's a small bedroom. Here's the small sitting room or waiting area. And then here is an office. And you can see the office space here. Nice desk, lots of counter space, big nice office. So then we have 2 more bedrooms to show you. Here on the left side, we have a smaller bedroom, full-size bed. There's nothing special here, just a small bedroom. Then we have the master bedroom, which has a bathroom with a bathtub. And then on the bedroom itself, it's quite big. You can see it's a queen-size bed, built-in cabinets, and a full floor-to-ceiling window with a nice little view. So not too bad, not too bad. All right, so now let's move on to apartment number 2. So the second apartment I'm going to show you right now is 150 square meters or 1,614 square feet. Now this apartment right here is only 2,000 renminbi, which is roughly $275 as of today. So let's go have a look at this one. Second house, it's a little bit newer, a little bit nicer. Let me show you here. On the left, as soon as you walk in the door, we have a nice big kitchen with lots of counter space. I really like this kitchen actually. I really like that a lot. Here we have a little small dining area that is connected to the living room area. You have your shoes cabinet here when you walk in the door. Nice big sofa, big smart TV. Then here we have like a small minimalist kind of bedroom. So the living room here, we have this really nice green space, which I really like. Check this out. You have a nice sitting area, lots of windows, lots of light coming in. Really nice space there to sit out and enjoy the view there. Okay, next I'm going to show you some of these bedrooms here. There's a few bedrooms to show you. So actually we have 2 more bedrooms to show you. So here on the right side is the master bedroom. So this one, you can see the bedroom is quite large, full or queen size bed. Nice window, nice little view there. And here's the bathroom with the washing machine inside, bathtub. And then next to that, we also have another bathroom, which this bathroom is also, it's much smaller, but it's, I guess, more like a guest bathroom or something. And then the last room, again, a small bedroom, nothing special here, just a regular old little bedroom. All right, so now the very last apartment of the day is actually my favorite, and it's a little bit smaller though, but it is newer. So let's go have a look at this one. This one is 116 square meters or 1,248 square feet. And this apartment is only 2,000 renminbi, which is about $275 US. So let's go have a look and let me know what you think. Okay, here's our last house for the day. This one is much newer, a little bit nicer. When you first walk in the door here, we have a little dining space with a nice floor-to-ceiling window. We got a little view of the outside there. It's quite a nice little dining space. Then the kitchen here is much smaller. It does have a glass door to separate it from the rest of the, the living space though, so you don't smell the food through the whole house when you're cooking, which is kind of nice. Now next, we're gonna have a look at the living area, which is also really nice. You can see the living area here, a really huge smart TV, big living space, nice view of outside, even though the outside area is not like nothing special to look at, but it's a nice little space there. So let's have a look at some of the bedrooms now. We got 3 bedrooms to show you. The first one here, is just like a smaller little bedroom, nothing special, but it does have a queen size bed, but not a lot of extra space in the room. The next bedroom we're going to show you here, again, another smallish size bedroom, queen size bed, so nothing special, same thing as the last one. And then here we have a bathroom in the middle of all the bedrooms here. Nothing special here, shower, toilet all together there. And then lastly, we have the master bedroom, which also has a toilet inside. So the master bedroom, we have the bathroom, a separate shower kinda, and then we have the smaller size bedroom with queen size bed. And that's about it.
All right, so that's all of our apartments for today. Let me know in the comments below which one you like the most. And also let me know below if there's other videos like this that you want to see. Do you want to see more videos like this? Do you want to see more expensive, higher end apartments? I can show you those as well. Just let me know below, and I'll see y'all on the next video.